Joe.
Hey,
thanks for coming.
Joe. Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you.
Thank you. Well, welcome to the Mullen FIVE Strikingly Different Tour.
Awesome. This looks amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Yeah. So we debuted this car last November. So it's our first trip on the road.
Okay.
Las Vegas is our third stop. We started in Pasadena, Anaheim, and here we are at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. This is one of the cars that we debuted. So November last year. This color combination for me is actually the most striking.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love the champagne gold color. It's just really great.
Yep. Yeah, it's a fantastic color. Really well received. Actually, one of the most popular vehicles last year at the LA Auto Show.
Yep.
And this is the first time where we're getting out on the road and showing it to people across the country. So it's an exciting time.
This is awesome. Yeah, this is great.
Hi, Ashley.
Hello.
This is Joe.
Hello.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming out today.
Anytime.
Yeah, let's get you out there.
Perfect.
So when we walk up to the car, I'm going to point out to you the Persona technology, and you'll see it right on that pillar. And what it is, it's facial recognition. So
awesome.
just like how you use your face to unlock your phone and all your apps and everything nowadays, it'll be the same thing with your car.
Fantastic.
And if it doesn't recognize you and you're not supposed to be near the car, it will alert security fence, recording in progress. It'll start recording all around the car and it'll kind of shut it down.
You ready to go?
Yeah. Are you ready to go?
I think I am. I stepped in here and this is a nicer interior than anything I've been in so far, by far. Just you can feel the material is really great. The seats are different material than you've ever seen in a seat before, and, it works. I think it really works.
Ages, of course, is still comfortable for the driver to get to.
Yeah,
the passenger.
super convenient. Yeah,
Yeah.
I like how it's not pointed straight at the driver, and the passenger has a view of it too, and you can see everything.
Exactly. And then, I don't know if you can see, obviously you can see through the panoramic roof, but when you're walking up to the vehicle, you don't notice that this is transparent.
I had no idea. And when you get in it, it's obviously it's like a great experience.
Yeah.
You see everything around you.
Yeah. So currently, right now, we're driving on a single motor in the rear.
Yep.
Production model that everyone's looking forward to is the dual motor, so all-wheel drive. The 0 to 60, we just did 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds-ish.
Yep.
The production model, they're aiming more towards 3.2 seconds, which is pretty sweet.
That's incredible.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then, of course, obviously with a lot of power, a lot of speed, you need braking power.
Right.
Of course, we have the Brembo brake package.
I saw those. Those are huge, huge brakes, and they look amazing too.
Yeah.
They look great.
Absolutely. Let's punch it a little bit down here. Let's slow down just a little bit. There we go.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah, feels good. So that's a realistic scenario right there.
Right.
Getting onto a freeway, especially in big cities like LA and New York.
Well, you need power. You need speed. Everyone says if you don't need the speed, I don't need the speed, but you do. Because if you're getting on, like you said, getting on the highway, if you need to get out of a situation for safety reasons, if you need to speed away from a vehicle and get out of situations, accelerating most of the time is better than braking. I'm really just blown away by the interior and the looks of it. The outside looks are amazing. It looks like a super high performance $200,000 SUV.
American made with a price of starting at $55,000, which qualifies for the government incentive of $7,500. So you're really coming down to $47,500. And you're right, comparing it to everyone's doing the six-figure EVs now. That's dime a dozen. Everyone can do that.
Not everybody can afford that.
Right.
That's
exactly.
it's select few people who can actually afford it.
Yeah.
And I have one, and I also have a cheap end EV, and the cheap end EV does everything that the high end EV does, if not better, just because it's easier.
What was your favorite part about the Mullen FIVE?
By far the quality. I mean, the vehicle is just so well put together, but you can't get over the speed as well. The pickup in it's very fast, and I think it just works as a compact, small crossover SUV. I think it works, the quality is better than I've seen in any vehicle I've been in. And it feels like that six-figure SUV. It feels like a great, giant, big expensive vehicle.
People keep asking me if I get tired of doing laps and driving people around, and I tell them like absolutely not, because it's such a fun car
you
to
can't
drive.
get tired of that.
No,
When you
not
have a
at
fun
all.
car to drive that's this nice, you'll never get tired driving it.
Absolutely.
I've been a diehard Tesla fan for years, obviously, but I really think after riding in it and seeing the quality of it, it's a no-brainer for me. I have to switch over. The quality is it's unbelievable so far, and it's only going to get better in the coming years.